Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Rocket League profile picture. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your Rocket League profile picture is easy. Tap on your profile name at the top left-hand corner and tap on the pencil icon right next to your name. Now, select the profile picture or the avatar you'd want to set for your account, and you can now go back by tapping the arrow at the top left. So after you do that, you'll be able to see that your profile picture has been changed. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.